Why Do We Need Big Data by Joe Keat Green. What is big data and how is it useful? Big data refers to data whose volume, velocity, variety, and or value is too great to be captured, processed, analyzed, or visualized by common software in an acceptable time frame. The management of big data is important to an enterprise in the respect of showing relationships in enterprise processes, tracking processes of enterprise functions, and forecasting future analytical trends. Advancing technologies are making big data easier to break down, analyze, and display, giving enterprises competitive advantages based on past data like they have never had before. Although big data can be very useful, there are many challenges that can be brought on by the use of big data. These include, but are not limited to, problems arising with integrating the data, data confusion caused by multiple data languages due to multiple data sources, data that is too large to store even with data warehousing, not having a force that is skilled enough to handle or manage or interpret the data, not having the ability to harness the data with the newest and most capable tools, and simply the cost of managing, storing, and using the data. Some best practices to keep in mind when using big data is know what you want the data to do for you. Know the right questions to ask your data in order to get the most accurate answers. Have the enterprise structure that can foster the collaboration between business and technology teams. Only analyze the data that you need and start small and then grow incrementally. In a world where data security is a big issue, it is impossible to govern big data accordingly. There must be policies in place to determine the definition, ownership, and accountability of the data. There should also be controls in place to govern the ability to access, create, modify, sell, or remove data, also the right to assign access privilege to others. The benefits and purpose of the data management for that enterprise should be clearly defined, and the integrated data should be stored, accessed, and utilized in a manner that promotes operational efficiency, which in most cases can cut costs dramatically. As mentioned before, when just starting with big data, it's better to start small and grow incrementally. One of the best ways to do this is using Kimball's dimensional modeling, which is the process of implementing the key processes first, then incrementally building up on it. By doing this, the force does not become overwhelmed, but more so they gradually and incrementally become subject matter experts.